Assalamualaikum and good day, Doctor. Today, my group will present about vehicle type approval. So, for the introduction, vehicle type approval (VTA) is a mandatory procedure that vehicles must undergo before registration, ensuring compliance with the requirements stated in the 1987 Road Transport Act and Road Transport Rules, safeguarding their identified dimensions, weight, build, characteristic, and specification. The National Committee for Type Approval and Homologation, consisting of representatives from public and private organizations. So this is a type of organization that I have stated in the slide. So this is aiming to ensure an efficient and transparent process. For the detail, we go through to other slide.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad Fidaus bin Saimi. Today I would like to present about description on the professional engineering knowledge, practices and responsibilities related to vehicle type approval. First, technical knowledge and expertise. For technical knowledge and expertise, that has 2 points. First, safety standards. Familiarity with safety regulations and standards related to vehicle system, crashworthiness, occupant protection and active feature is essential to ensure that vehicles meet the required safety standards. Second, environmental regulations. Understanding environmental regulations and emission standards help engineers assess and ensure compliance with regulation related to vehicle emissions, fuel efficiency and environmental impact. Second, regulatory compliance. Interpretation of regulations. Engineers need to interpret and apply relevant laws, regulations and standards to assess the compliance of vehicles. Second, documentation and reporting. Accurate documentation of technical specifications, test results, and compliance assessment is crucial. Engineers should maintain clear and comprehensive records and prepare reports that demonstrate compliance with regulations. Third, quality assurance and risk management. First, design review and evaluation. Second, testing and verification. Engineers should plan oversee testing procedure, ensuring that they are robust, reliable, and representative of real-world conditions. And last, quality control. Engineers should implement quality control processes to ensure consistent adherence to regulatory requirements, technical specifications, and establish procedure throughout the VTA process.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karol Aiman bin Abdul Kahar. Okay, so today I want to present about description of vehicle type approval. Okay, the first thing is safety standard. Okay, vehicle type approval include rigorous testing and evaluation of a vehicle safety features and performance, such as airbags and seatbelt. Okay, the second part is emission regulation. VTA also involve testing and certification of a vehicle emission to ensure compliance with specific environmental standard. This include measuring pollutants emitted by vehicles such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, particulate matter, and other harmful substances. Okay, the third is technical requirement. VTA verifies that vehicle meet technical specification and requirements set by regulatory authorities. This may include aspects such as lighting system, braking performance, electrical system, noise level, and other technical parameters. Next is type approval process. Okay, type approval process is the type approval process generally involve various stages, starting with the submission of technical documentation and specification. Okay, if the vehicle meets all the requirement criteria, a certificate of conformity or type approval is issued, allowing the vehicle to be legally sold and registered. Okay, the last is periodic testing and compliance. Once a vehicle is granted type approval, it may be subject to periodic testing or inspection. This helps maintain the integrity of the approval process and ensure the vehicle remains roadworthy. That's all from me. Thank you.
I am Muhammad Khairul Zikri and I will talk about discussion regarding this topic. WP29, the UNESE Work Forum for Harmonization of vehicle regulation, WP29 operates as distinct global regulatory platform within the institutional framework of the UNSE Inland Transport Committee. By making use of the standard, Malaysia harmonized its law with global best practice, encouraging uniformity and fostering global trade. Malaysia implement and incorporate this rule to regulate the interoperability and security of the vehicle used through the nation. This is type of VTA vehicle. First, motorcycle. Second, passenger vehicle. Third, goods vehicle. Fourth, trailer. And lastly, category G, off-road. Next is what is the United Nations Regulation, UNR. UNR is a set of international safety standards for cars. It covers different parts of the car to make sure they are safe and meet global standards. This regulation addresses pedestrian safety, emission reduction, and of the requirement of proper lighting, brake, and tire. Car manufacturers have to follow this regulation to ensure their vehicles are safe to drive.
So after we know about VTA, we can make a conclusion that vehicle type approval VTA is a required process before registering any vehicle. VTA ensures vehicles meet legal requirements for identity, dimensions, weight and specification. The National Committee for Type Approval and Homologation evaluates VTA application. So the committee includes representatives from public and private organizations. They ensure compliance with regulations and an efficient process. So engineering students should understand VTA's importance and its role in vehicle safety and compliance. Thank you.